What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Avenged Media. My name is Nick. If you're a new subscriber here, thank you for hitting that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Today we're going to be working on my S14 again. If you didn't watch the intro video to this car and whole backstory on it, go watch that. Everything will make a lot more sense. But today, as promised, we're going to be getting this thing all detailed up. It is filthy. It sat in a shipping container for like a few years, and it's got years and years of dust and dirt all over the exterior, and the engine bay has quite a bit of dirt and grime in it. And for two reasons here, I want to get this done. First of all, I just don't like looking at a dirty car in my shop. And B, as we work on this, I want to be working on a clean car. So my plan today is do a full decontamination, wash, do a manual decontamination with a clay bar, and polish this car. Now, this car is probably going to get a full respray at some point. So do I need to be doing this? No. But I like doing detailing stuff, and I really, like I said, don't want to look at a dirty car in my shop. And I'm curious to see what I think of the black paint on this car. If I remember correctly, this is a KH3 Nissan black, and I'm really curious to see what I think of it because I've been really thinking about keeping this car black when I do a full respray. I've always wanted a black car, and I think this one might be the one to do it with. So I'm curious to see what that paint looks like, get my thoughts on having a black car. Give me your thoughts down below. I'm curious what you guys think as well. I'm also going to try out a little different style of video than I usually do, so if you watch my videos on a regular basis, let me know what you think of this style. I don't think it'll be something we do all the time, but I'm just curious if you like it. Leave your comments down below. But we're gonna go ahead and get started with this process. You know we're using all Griot's garage stuff, so let's go ahead and get to it. Man, we just spent some hours on this thing and it is not perfect. This paint has seen better days for sure, but it is so nice to see this car clean and free of the dirt and debris that was on it for the last few years. Now, I went ahead and threw the Kouki taillights on. I was lucky enough to find a super clean set. I had these shipped over from the UK. We've got the JDM Kouki bumper on the rear. So I just mocked that up just so we can get an idea, but whew, look at that. It's just so good. I can't get over it, you guys. Like I said, the paint's not perfect, but it looks amazing, and it was fun to just test a bunch of different Griot's Garage products and like hone my skills a little bit more. But this thing looks like an entirely different car than it did at the start of the video. No more oil gunk all over the subframe down there. That's all cleaned up. Glass and the paint, both polished. This is just super nice to look at. Now I feel like this is a better purchase. Like, seeing it like this and continually making progress is super exciting. So in the next video, we're gonna tackle this interior, because this is all bad. I just ordered a new dash. Like I said, we got all new trim pieces here. I've got the new trim pieces that go here on the A-pillar and up over the window, because those ones have some screw holes in it, so I want to make sure that those are unmessed with. Got a new center console coming, and we're going to take care of that mess of wires in there, so that's what you guys have to look forward to. And I think we can have an equally awesome transformation on the interior as we did the exterior. Whew. Okay, well, I am absolutely exhausted. It's like 1:30 in the morning, but I had to get this done. I'm gonna go try to get this edited for you guys real quick so that it can go up in the morning. But if you like this style of video, let me know. I'll incorporate it into my content a little bit more often. But I am so excited to see the 240 all cleaned up. Like, just got me in the feels and so excited for this project. If you guys are looking forward to the 240 project as well, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you're excited for. What motor do you think we should put in it? Like, we have so much stuff to do with this, but I'm gonna wrap it up here, you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out, and I'll see you soon.